السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. دلوقتي معايا عربية BMW E90 300. هي في الأصل 316 مانوال، واتعدلت مكنة وفتيس وطقم دوارة ل 320 اوتوماتيك. Hello everybody, now I'm having this E90. This car originally is 316 with manual transmission, and they replaced the engine and transmission to 320 with automatic transmission. For sure the engine, transmission, and the TCM is already integrated on the transmission itself, and the DME, the wiring, the CAS, the key itself, and also they replaced the cluster. Now we have the first problem is when you engage gear reverse. I will pull the handbrake. When you engage reverse, we don't have reverse light on. The little thing you see is not the reverse light on. So that's first thing. Also, the customer told me that he had the DSC and these two lights on. So I will scan the whole car to see what I will have. The first thing we need to do is the reverse light. For sure here we will have two VIN, one for the 316 and one is for 320. Right hand drive, came from Germany with engine N46. Okay, from an E91 car. Also here we have the dot for the mileage, because the mileage on the cluster is different than on the CAS. Now the shifter is on park. I will show you something. As you see, this is not the reverse light. I think it is coming on, but it's not bright. When I engage reverse, it should be clearer than this. Okay, for the CAS everything is old. DME interface EWS, why it is current and the car is running. Anyway, this fault could because maybe the donor car is having shifters here or shift pedals. or maybe a switch here on that area, but I know that this one will not affect the vehicle. Yeah, and these two lamps on, we need to default code the ABS according to the CAS VIN. We need to transfer the CAS on the VIN or the DME, which is for the donor car, to the ABS. And also I will neglect all of these. And for the footwell module, we will need only to default code it to also we will get the FA from the CAS, so it will be for automatic transmission. So we will need to go with NCS expert and default code the FRM and ABS. So this I think will solve these two lamps and the reverse light. Okay, I will leave that here, and I will get the ICOM and see what we will do next. And now I connected ICOM. Now I will lock the ICOM. And the ignition is on. NCS expert, load profile default, because we will default code VIN ZCS E89. Sure, here we don't need the F8 from the FRM, we need it from CAS, which is having automatic transmission data. CAS. Here we should have 205, which means automatic transmission car. Go back, process ECU, NFRM to get the reverse light work from automatic transmission shifter. Okay. SG Codron, Steuergerät Codron, execute job. Error, because the FRM on the donor car is different than this one, so we need to do it manually for the reverse light. So change ECU, we'll go to DSC. Okay, SG Codron, execute job, coding active and coding ended. Okay, ignition off. I'm not sure if I'm having the tire pressure indicator before or not. Still having the two lights. Okay, we'll close, go to INPA, shift F2, chases, ABS, shift F2, chases, MK60. Control unit not found, found DSC. Okay, go here, functional jobs, error, read, I have only one fault code on the DSC, clear, then read, I have one fault code, but I don't know what does that mean. Okay, I will scan with launch, or maybe I can go directly now with NCS Expert, file, load, this time NCS dummy, because we need to do the reverse light manually. E89 CAS, now it doesn't matter, back, process ECU, NFRM, okay, read ECU, okay, we'll close the program, go back, file, load, NCS dummy, okay. I will get maybe I can get the FA from FRM, okay. Back, process ECU, FRM, okay. I will see if I can read it now. Okay, now I can read it. So I will change job, FA, right, to add 205, change job FA, right, change job edit FA, I think. I need to edit the FA on the FRM. Okay, I will cancel that. File, load, NCS dummy, okay. Then we'll go here to read the FA from the FRM, okay. FRM, okay. Here I have the FA from the FRM, and here I will go to enter FA, E89, okay, okay, add 205, then add, okay, then go back, process ECU, FRM, okay, change job, FA, right, okay, execute job, job active, job ended. Now if I close the program completely and go back with NCS Expert, file, load profile, this time I will use default profile, okay. Then get the FA from the FRM, okay. It should have 2005 here. So we edited the FRM to be automatic. Go back, process ECU, FRM, okay, SG coherent default coding, execute job, coding active. Coding ended. Now I think we should have the reverse light work. I didn't hear that before, maybe. Anyway, the car is not moving right now and the shifter is on reverse. Now as you see here, it's very good. So we coded the light control module to fit an automatic transmission car. But now I'm still having these two lights. Not sure if because the error on the ABS. So now I will connect the latch back again and see what I will do. And now, after scanning the car whose latch, everything is green there, but here on the ABS I'm still having the same error. Control unit incorrect, vehicle identification number calibration required. So stay with me. I will look what I will do next on that error. Okay, now I connected ICOM again and is having these two lights on. So now I will continue with ICOM. I already logged it and will go to NCS Expert, load, NCS dummy, okay, VIN E89. We need the VIN from CAS for the donor car, back, process ECU, DSC, okay. We don't need coder data and listen, change job. We already coded it, but it didn't transfer the VIN. I think it will be Fegner Schreiben. This indicates for Fahrzeug, means vehicle, but on German, and number is already number. Schreiben, I think it means writing. I'm not sure, but I will try. Okay, execute job active, job ended. Okay, maybe I need to cycle the ignition. Still have the same error. We'll close, go to INPA, okay, error, read, this false is for the VIN, clear, read. I have the same error here. So I will see what I will do next. Now I'm still having these two lamps on, and if I go to E87 functional jobs, okay, error, and read error memory, I'm still having the same fault code on the DSC. So if I go back to the UIF, user information field, this VIN, which ends with 995, is for the donor car. We already have it on the DME and the CAS here, okay? So on the DSC, it appears that we don't have any VIN there. So maybe I will import we'll import the data for E89 on Winkfp program. But before that we need to copy the VIN. We'll go to tool 32, go to CAS to get the VIN from it. Here I have only short VIN.
Sorry.
السلام ورحمة الله يا جماعة. حاضر ثواني.
نسيبه لون شو ولا استنى؟
خليه شوية هطول.
مش هني؟
ماشي تمام بكلمك طبعا. So the first thing we need to do is to get the full VIN from the donor. I already have it on launch or see it on launch. So I will type it here. Then I will go to Winkfp and update the ABS software. Okay, so I will get the VIN and import the data to Winkfp and continue. Okay, here I have the VIN of the donor car, and Control C, go to Winkfp, configuration, UIF right, okay, comfort mode, update, DSC, maybe that one, okay, enter VIN, Control V, okay, done. Programs will be update. If the two numbers are different, so it will go and update it. Okay, so now ignition on. Yes. Okay. This began to work with itself. I hope this process go fast. I don't know the relationship between the wipers and the ABS, but anyway, maybe for a communication fault or something else. Also, I want to go to take them out of the glass, but I don't need to touch the ICOM below my legs. hope this process go faster. Ignition came back and it stopped. The wipers stopped and the DSP program update programming okay. Now if I go, I will cycle the ignition. Then start the car. The ABS light came with the two old ones. So if I go to INPA functional jobs, okay, UIF, now the bin is written with the date, okay, the date of the laptop. The bin is written on the DSC. Notice, without doing anything, the ABS light gone. So to quite yes. I need to check fault codes and erase to see what will happen. Read. All these fault codes are for communication. Clear. Read. I have 3 fault codes on the ABS. I don't know what does that mean, but I will go to NCS Expert and default code the ABS. Load default, okay, VIN ZCS E89, okay, CAS, okay, back process ECU DSC, okay, SG coder and execute job, coding active. All of them came and coding ended. But after that I'm still having these two, close. Now I want to scan with Launch to see what these fault codes mean. Now after updating the ABS, on INPA I have 3 fault codes, but on Launch I have these only 2, and still having the DSC light. So I will go back and identify the car automatically. And get the special functions of the ABS. To calibrate the DSC sensor after the update. Yes. Chases DSC unit adjustment. Yes. Brake pedal not pressed. Continue. Continue. DSC sensor adjustment. Yes. Continue. Continue. Then manually select 3 series E90 chases ABS. Here is the new VIN. This one gone. As you see, history and correct vehicle identification number, calibration required. I don't know what to do next. I already updated and changed the VIN and default coded the ABS and still having that fault code. Look for that and come back again. Now and after programming or coding the FRM yesterday, I have this switches work for right hand side. So I will go here. I'm using ICOM and it is reserved. I will go to NCS expert, load NCS dummy, and I will go to the FRM file to edit the car for left hand drive. Okay, back, process ECU, FRM, okay, then read ECU, coding active, wait till coding ended, and minimize, go to NCS dummy, E90, browse, load the TRC file, okay, then filter by trace file, filter, then I will search for switch block left hand drive, not right hand. I think it will be on the lower part. Okay, I will look for that and come back again, because not to make the video too long. Now that's what we need from the file. On the lower part, right hand drive, no. As you see here, the car is left hand drive. Nicht active. Front and rear, all should be nicht active. Before I perform the coding, look, if I press on that, on the right side, the window of the left side will work. To make that file on C drive, will export man, then change job, HG coderen, okay, then execute job, coding active, then wait till coding ended. Wait for seconds, and now it's coding ended. So now I will go to cycle the ignition, insert the key, start the car, and now here it's working good. Okay, so now I will close all of that, and we are still having these two signs, traction and brake file. Lower or release the handbrake. I have the brake light on, also on yellow. So after some research, I noticed that this may be because we need to calibrate the steering angle sensor, and now I will get the launch scanner to calibrate it and see what will happen. Okay, now I connected launch and the car is running, and I have the traction light and brake light. If I pull handbrake, it is red. If I release it, it is yellow. So I will go to BMW. I will go to read fault codes to show you the fault codes again on the DSC or the ABS system. Yes, next. Okay. Then after scanning the whole car, I'll go to reset or calibrate the steering angle sensor. For sure that these info are from CAS. Then go to health report. And here I have 5E1F DSC control unit and correct vehicle identification number calibration required. Okay, so I will go back, then special function, chases, steering angle sensor adjustment. Make sure that steering is on the straightforward direction and click on that. Steering angle sensor adjustment and follow the prompt. Job coding, releasing, then continue. Do you wish to cancel? No. Steering angle sensor matching, then continue. Adjustment in progress. And here I have the ABS light on and all gone. So here, adjustment in progress. Adjustment of steering angle sensor was successful. Visually align the steering wheel in horizontal position to check the zero position of the steering angle wheels. Okay, continue. What the steering angle does. Yes. Correctly initialize. Okay, continue. Surface function finished. And now I have the car running with the all faults gone. So maybe system selection, maybe we now are able to erase the fault code. We should be able to erase the fault code on the ABS, or at least it will be history. No, now no fault code and everything gone. Now I will initialize the tire pressure indicator, and now everything is gone. Now if I have enough time, I will continue to reset the gas mileage to repair the dot here.